Clean the board. At first, clean the board. Yes. You have to clean like this. Give me this one. Okay, you have to clean like this. Okay, son, like this. Like this, you have to clean. Okay, understood? Isan? So everything you have to clean like this. Okay. So take this pen. Take this pen. Yeah. And open. Try to open like this. Oh, this is open now. And you can now write something. Yes, there is ink. Try to write A. B. This is A. This is A. This is B. Isan B. It is B. Okay, C. Do C. Isan, do C. He's very actually little, so that's why he's not actually touching the board. So that's why he took this one. Actually, you can see this is very little chowki, you can say. So this is through this chowki, his height actually a little bit increased. So that's why easily he can write there. And just he is writing there something, and he is very young, 3 years of age actually, very young and very little actually, you can say. And he is just trying to writing something there. And he is now in class LKG, maybe some days before he just joined the class. And কেমন লাগছে ঈশান? ভালো লাগছে? একটা ছবি আঁকো, ছবি আঁকো। হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ হ্যাঁ, আগে মুছে নাও ভালো করে, ক্লিন করে মুছে নাও। হয়ে গেছে। হ্যাঁ, এবিসিডি লেখো, এবিসিডি। এ, yes, this one A, then B, yes, this is B. C, না সিটা উল্টো হয়ে গেছে। C will be like this, Ishan. C will be like this. পেনটা ধরো, catch the pen. And C will be like this, okay? And A will be like this, okay? A will be like this and B will be like this, okay? And D will be like this, understood? Do here C. हाँ, लिखो, ওগুলো মুছে দাও, সব মুছে আবার লিখো। এই ঈশান, এটা তো নষ্ট হয়ে যাবে, এটা নষ্ট হয়ে যাবে। হ্যাঁ, হাতে ধরে রাখতে হবে। তোমাদের স্কুলে বোর্ড আছে? হ্যাঁ, তো এভাবে করতে হবে তো। তুমি এসে লিখবে তো। যাও, অটা করে চলে যাও। হ্যাঁ, he's just using this one and he's doing now he's doing Ishan, I'm helping you, okay? O will be like this. How will be the A will be like this, okay? Rashui, do you know how to do Rashui? Rashui, you know? You don't know? Okay, টাটা করে দাও। টাটা।